Hi everybody, this is video 65 and the end of the video log regarding a total shoulder replacement, and I have a stemless prosthetic and I'm doing really well. This is my motion for today. I'm 6 weeks in, or tomorrow will actually be the day I had surgery, and then I can start doing a little bit more with this my mobility and working on that. So the videos start 30 days prior to my surgery. This is 65 of these guys, and then all the way to here. And they're not gruesome, they're not all about surgery or anything. It's just about my progress, what I was going up to, bone on bone, and misery, having surgery, and what I'm up to now, just being so grateful not being in pain because of that bad shoulder. And that's about it for right now. We're going to do the tadpoles, and I'm going to get a walk-in way down the other end of that part of the canyon and then back again. If I see more content, I see stuff that would be kind of interesting to see in this video today, I'll put it in. And other than that, remember the tadpoles for today. This view will be totally obscured in just a couple of weeks because of the fig leaves. How are the tadpoles doing today? It's kind of chilly and no sun. Coming to the near end of our video, and Sky and I did take a walk about 3/4 of a mile, and I used both arms, both gloves, and my sticks. And that's going to be the end of my video for today. It's a really short one. Fog is dropping in. It's chilly. Hopefully there's not a whole lot of wind noise going on. Video 65 and the end of all my video logs regarding a total shoulder replacement stemless job. Appreciate everybody watching, and I will post videos now and then, and it's been a lot of fun. So that's it. Bye.